Here's Chase and Josiah. While Jackson is feeding. And here's all the goodies that the hospital gave us. Thank you, KU-Med. Alright, they spent about a week over at the hospital, and today they are ready. They are already home. Let's just say they're about 8 months right now, but they're still in their mommy. And so we got them, you can say, compared to a single birth, 1 month early. Bye. Bye, Chase. Ooh, somebody's up. Bye, Josiah.